Just listen for a moment. Hear the birds, the cars, sounds of life outside. It's relaxing. Don't click off if you haven't clicked off already. This isn't going to be a long video of me talking or anything like that. Just want to let you guys know, yes, I'm doing a lot of photography nowadays. And I've done multiple trips this year already where we've gone out and I didn't do any video. Didn't record a single thing. Just did pictures. Just enjoyed the moment, enjoyed where we were, the sights, the sounds, the scenery, and didn't record. Just took some pictures and then just enjoyed it. So what's going to come after I'm done talking here is a slew of pictures that I enjoyed taking, whether they're stellar, top-notch or not. For me personally, I enjoy taking them. And some of them are going to be, like in New Year's Day, we went out and we went and seen an S-curve bridge over in Ohio. And as far as I understand it, it's the longest in the country of its kind. Correct me if I'm wrong. And it could be just east of the Mississippi. I don't know. But as far as I understood it, it was the longest of its kind in the country. And it's just a cool little S-curve bridge. It wasn't the greatest shooting conditions or anything like that, but we had a blast. We had fun shooting it. We've seen a covered bridge that day. And then there's been multiple trips ever since. So I'm going to just play the photos for you. And I hope you guys enjoy. Just because you're doing something that you're trying to build doesn't necessarily mean you have to always focus on that. Like doing this YouTube thing, when I go out, I don't always focus on doing videos. I enjoy the company I'm with, whether it's a friend or family, and just enjoy where we're going and enjoy taking the pictures. So that way I can see them. So I'm going to share what I have enjoyed up until this point of 2024 in pictures. So I hope you enjoy this short little video, and I hope you come back on the next time when we have an adventure.
When you're lost and no one's there, and you wonder who even cares, oh, come back to your breath, don't drift away from me. I will come down to remind you of before. We can fly away from here. We can stay close, my dear. Swept up and away from all our fears. How are we supposed to know on our own? Together we can go slow. Why don't you leave it all to me? I know how hard it all can be. I'm here to hold your hand through this. Whoa, I'll be beside you all alone. My love for you is so strong. We're right where we belong. Wander around the same old town. Your best kept secrets underground. Your hand on my chest, my heart